Okay, good morning, all excellency. Good morning, all my classmates. So today, my name is Good. I am a teacher at IIM Academic School. But today, I want to tell you like how to use about the shortcut key, and especially if you know about how to use the shortcut key together in one. Before we use about the Microsoft Word and computer, do you know everyone Microsoft Word? And before to open the computer, we use about the keyboard or mouse. You can use about the shortcut key, you use about on the keyboard. How to use the keyboard and how to use the typing. When we open the computer, we select like this. You use about the mouse. We have the mouse to start to do domain up and open Microsoft Word or open Microsoft PowerPoint or open Microsoft Photoshop or Microsoft Publisher. You understand? Or Microsoft App. But we open only. We use only mouse. Cannot use about the keyboard. Open document only. We can use about the title bar, scroll bar, or start to down. We use about the function of the computer. The speed computer like in desktop or laptop. Laptop we have need the keyboard next the computer, but the CPU the case desktop use about the case of desktop, right? Just only one. Control A. Do you understand? Control A. We use like mean all the document. Select all the document. Just only one. Select all the document. Control A. Just only one. Control A only. We need delete. We say that delete. Delete that means to omit all document. That means backspace. Just only one sentence or one word. Control or shift. You understand? Just only one shift. 6-1, arrow key right, arrow key left, arrow and up and down. We use only one high and top. You understand? This one, the paragraph, just only one only one word, just only one delete. You understand? Control B, move. Control I, electric. Control U, and the line, the ruler. Control C, it means copy. And Control V, we can pass or undo. Control A, that means cast document. You understand? Cast document. And Control Z, undo document. Control V, in the past. You understand?
Yeah.
Control O, we open the document on the Microsoft Word. And Control W, it means close or shut down. Do you know shut down?
Yeah.
Before the typing, one sentence or two sentences we need about Control A. Save as document. Save to put document or save to put the desktop. The desktop in the screen computer, 50 screen or 60 screen. Do you understand what?
Yes.
Before you know about the computer a lot, you should be how to use the shortcut key. You understand what? And this one we have this computer and we use about the shortcut key. This one is the shortcut key. This means the keyboard. Just only one the desktop or CPU we need outside the keyboard before use the computer. We should be like the type in Microsoft Word for a long time. You understand? And this one we have mouse like this. Just only one mouse. This one mouse. We use right or left. Before the Microsoft Word open, we use press 3 times or 4 times. And after we open all the two. We open already how to use the type key. So keep it quiet. We put the color, we put anything here. After you know about the function computer a lot. You understand? I hopefully all the students should be how to use the computer and show all my friends. Come, I want to tell you how to use the keyboard shortcut. key and mouse for the laptop and then stop. Laptop and desktop different keyboard. Desktop use outside the keyboard. Laptop outside in the computer. I believe that all the students you can explain to your classmate when you use a computer like this. And you know about the computer, you should explain my English all together. So here, why is it lasting? Okay? Do you understand everyone?
Yes.
How to use the function of the shortcut key? The shortcut key is very important for the student when we use the computer. If you want to be a good at for the computer, you instead time 1 hour or half hour. You can use about a keyboard when we go home. Especially on Saturday and Sunday, you can go to timing for your computer, your parents. Oh, sorry dad and sorry mom, I borrow computer 1 hour and use the keyboard. You have to take time, 10 minutes or 15 minutes how to use the keyboard. I believe that for the student, you are good student. Use the computer like it. Especially, I believe that all the students, your dad and your mom, many computer. So now, students use only one phone only. Okay, if you take time, 15 minutes or 20 minutes, use about computer. Cháu chúng ta về xa cuối tới gia với câu thử cùng tớ hay quay con chỉ được ôm ở cùng ở biết cùng chỉ tớ ai thì duy trì quan thực tế ai sẽ xem chiếc cả đá xong khai là chúng ta cùng vô xong đẹp đó vì được đi ra cùng dùng cách so khác thì hết con chỉ quy được ôm ở trường nghe là liên công chỉ tớ báo công tớ hãy cho con thì biết trong camera mà xong đẹp cùng đẹp đó chúng ta lại khám để ra cơ bản sự đẹp trai đấy cực bình đấy bạn phải làm liên công đó nhưng thì duy trì so đấy khi được biết mình vô so khác khi được học công trước và đấy cũng đã lại khá là sai nhưng thôi đấy chút sự đẹp vì ngày sai hơn á thật chất do khác khi của bạn đến hay đấy rồi sau đó không liên công tới câu này liên công tới lại càng một phá hết thì vô là tụi mà anh đi kiểm tra con chỉ biết ôm rồi đấy ok đó không đi ok nhà này ở đang đang vui mà cháu là mẹ đây là công tớ xây bài như ngày hay bên này ở công tớ ăn phần dương rồi xây con chỉ biết ôm rồi xây lương đá như các bạn xây lương đá ra của bạn này là với trẻ thằng nhớ ăn trước đây ở ngoài này cứ ăn đó ok có cứ cho ăn phát điện